Highest spike in number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka as 196 cases have been reported from the state in a single day. Number of cases in the state has risen to 1,939. Death toll stands at 42. 20 cases have been reported from Chikbalapura. 15 cases each have been reported from Gadag, and 4 cases reported from Bengaluru urban. 72 cases of COVID-19 have been reported from Yadgir, while 39 COVID-19 cases have been reported from Raichur. Migrants proved to be a headache for the Karnataka as all those who have now tested positive in these two places reportedly returned from Maharashtra. Chikbalapura District in Charge Minister and State Medical Education Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar conducted a meet after a sharp rise in the number of COVID-19 cases from the district. The minister conducted a meet along with the district officials and Family Welfare Department officials. Medical Education Minister Dr. K. Sudhakar has said that if health workers in the state of Karnataka die due to COVID-19, then their kin will be given a compensation of 50 lakh rupees. Speaking in Chikbalapur, he added that if the healthcare worker died due to other causes, their kin will not be eligible to get the insurance amount.
Corona nigraha madlikke yaru ಆಶಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವೈದ್ಯರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ವಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 30ರಿಂದ 50 ಲಕ್ಷವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಕೋವಿಡ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೋಂಕನ್ನು ತಗಲಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮೃತಪಟ್ಟರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Well, the minister also took officials in Chikbalapura to task for improper supply of drinking water in the district. He was seen taking the officials to task, saying he will not tolerate if there is a delay in supply of drinking water to them.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರು ನೀವು ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೇರ್. ಸಚ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಚುವಲ್ ಅಫೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ಎನಿ ವರ್ಕ್.
Attack on health workers continue. An ASHA worker was allegedly attacked by a quarantine person at a quarantine center in Kalburgi. The health worker's hand was fractured in the attack after the accused was not provided non-vegetarian food in the meal at the quarantine center. A case has been registered at the Madana Ipparaga police station. Passengers who arrived at Bengaluru International Airport in Devnalli from Indonesia created ruckus at the airport and refused to be quarantined at a hotel. 46 passengers who arrived from Indonesia created ruckus during the thermal screening early Saturday morning and demanded that they be sent back home. Residents of Belgavi's Malamaruti locality protested against setting up of quarantine center in the locality. The residents got into an argument with the authorities saying COVID-19 suspects should not be quarantined in their locality. They instead asked the authorities to quarantine COVID-19 suspects in Suvarna Sauda in Belgavi. Members of a quarantine center in Tumkuru have alleged that they are not getting adequate food for under quarantine. Migrants who came back from other states have been quarantined here, and they allege several complaints to the authorities have fallen on deaf ears.
ಈ ಪಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಂದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕೇಳೋರು ಸಹ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇ ಪಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇ ಪಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2 times ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Well, Khadar Nagar in Tumkuru has been sealed off by authorities after more cases of COVID-19 came to light from the locality. Migrants who had come back from Mumbai to Tumkuru had tested positive for the infection. The district administration has given permission for only essential services in the locality. People continue to violate lockdown order, and this time in a containment zone. People in Davangere were seen coming out and going to the Jalinagar, which has been declared as a containment zone. Over 60 COVID-19 cases have been reported from this containment zone. Going to the 12-hour curfew on Sunday, people thronged the market in Bagalkot to buy essentials. No social distancing was being maintained, and many people were seen without masks in the area. Food kits were distributed to auto drivers by RTO officials amid the nationwide lockdown. Hundreds of auto drivers came to collect the food kits, and needless to say, no social distancing was maintained at the event. Residents of Tamil Nadu have been entering Anekal in Karnataka by giving a slip to the police authorities. Checking at checkposts in Tamil Nadu-Karnataka border have been made stringent due to the rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in Tamil Nadu, but people seem to be ignoring all these norms and continue to enter Karnataka. Even after entry from other states to Karnataka has been banned, people continue to enter the state. In Mysuru, people from Kerala were seen entering Karnataka through Kabini backwaters. The situation is the same in Karwar. People from Karnataka are allegedly trying to avoid checkposts and enter Goa. People are giving authorities a slip and entering other states through unconventional routes. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah distributed food kits in Ramnagar to members of the Muslim community who will be celebrating Ramzan amid nationwide lockdown. D.K. Suresh and Zamir Ahmad Khan were also present at the event. Muslim women thronged the stage to collect food kits, and police personnel were deployed in large numbers to control the crowd. After residents of Sakleshpur and Hassan requested the Education Minister Suresh Kumar to begin repair works at an old school, the Education Minister paid a visit to the school. The residents sent a video to the Minister via Facebook, and Minister responded and promised the school would be repaired at the earliest. Amid the COVID-19 outbreak in the country, the Revenue Department officials were seen celebrating birthday in Nelmangla Court premises. The officials were seen wearing no masks, or social distancing was thrown to the wind. Rice, which was meant to be distributed to the needy amid the nationwide lockdown, was being sold at 18 rupees per kg in Kodagu's Virajpet. PDO and inspector conducted raids in the supermarket and seized the rice. A vehicle used to transport the rice was also seized by the officials. A police sub-inspector was suspended after he was accused of misusing police vehicle for his own use. The policeman identified as Shivananda allegedly let a friend borrow the police vehicle for his personal use. A resident of Bagalkot committed suicide by hanging himself to the window of the government school. The deceased has been identified as 48-year-old Hanumanta Navi, and the reason behind the drastic step is yet to be ascertained. Thousands of fish were found dead at the Ramtirtha Lake in Bagalkot. The reason behind the death of the fish is yet to be ascertained. Municipality workers cleaned the lake and removed the dead fish from the lake. 20 COVID-19 patients who recovered were discharged from the Karwar COVID-19 hospital. The patients had been admitted on May 5th and received treatment for over 14 days leading to the recovery. The district administration applauded the survivors and the medical staff who treated them. Patient number 672 recovered was discharged from the Haveri COVID-19 hospital. Healthcare workers and medical staff applauded the patient. The patient has been instructed to remain under home quarantine for a few more days.